Hi, this video is all about assigning domains to your account so that you can get started creating websites for them. Now to do this, first of all, you do need to be logged into your account, and we need to be in the Domain Manager. From the Home or the cPanel tabs, you can scroll down to the Domains section and click on the Domain Manager icon. Or, from anywhere in your account, just click Domains on the blue bar at the top. Click on Assign from the submenu, and that'll take you to where we can assign the domain to the account. Now, if you already have that domain associated to your account, you can just choose it from the drop-down list here. If not, you'll need to choose Assign a new domain, or a domain not already associated with the hosting account, and enter the domain in the box there. If you pasted the domain in, you might need to hit backspace a few times and retype just the last few characters in order to get it to allow you on to step 2. If you are prompted at that time to go ahead and put the password in for whatever account the domain may already be on, go ahead and do that. Every once in a while it may be attached to an expired account. If you do face that issue and you're not able to resolve it on your own, just open a chat with our support team and we'll look into it for you. Now, you need to verify that you own the domain here in step 2. This prevents any abuse of our system. You have 4 options here to choose from. First, you can change the name servers to our name servers. It'll list them there. Or you can set the DNS-A record to point to your server IP address. It should also list the IP address here in the Domain Manager, or you can go back to your cPanel and find it in the stats bar on the left-hand side. You can create a page that contains a special text code, which will be given to you here. Our system will then detect that the page is there and will allow you to assign the domain. Or you can verify by entering the EPP code for the domain, which you would need to get from your registrar. This only works with certain types of domains. Now that you've verified, go ahead and choose Add-on or Parked. You could also choose Unassigned if you aren't ready to start anything yet with this domain, you just want it to be a part of your account. An add-on domain will function basically just like your main domain, except it has its own directory within public HTML and its own website completely separate from your primary domain. A parked domain, on the other hand, will be basically a mirror of the primary domain on your account. It's essentially an add-on domain, but it's assigned to public HTML, just like your primary domain is. Most people who use this are those who have multiple domain names but only want one website. For example, if you have yourdomain.com and yourdomain.net and want the same website on both. For future reference, you can create email addresses for parked domains just like you would for add-ons. If you choose add-on, there is one more step here. You need to choose the directory that you want to assign the domain to. You can select any existing directory from the drop-down list of directories that are on your account, or you can create a new one. It will also ask you to specify a subdomain for the domain. Don't be alarmed by that. The cPanel just requires that every add-on domain have a subdomain. Now, it'll take a little while for the system to add the domain to your account, so be patient. Once you've completed all the steps, it'll take you back to the Domain Manager, and your domain will be ready to use. If you assigned it as an add-on or parked domain, you can create email addresses for it or install software. And that's it for assigning domains. Thanks for watching.